Hello, folks. This is Tony Drake with Drake and Associates with the January 2016 Educational Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic headlines that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. The final weeks of 2015 were very volatile for markets. Investors grapple with the Federal Reserve rate hike as well as global growth picture that's become cloudy. Let's take a look at some of the month's events. The Federal Reserve finally pulled the trigger on higher interest rates in mid-December, voting to raise interest rates above zero for the first time since 2006. As expected, the Fed raised rates just a fraction of a percent. The increase in rates is a vote of confidence in the economy, and Fed policymakers have stressed that they intend to move carefully in the future. Higher rates will have a ripple effect across the economy and translate into higher mortgage and auto loan rates. How will that affect the economy next year? It's too soon to know. But keep in mind that housing activity and consumer spending patterns were boosted more by a strong labor market than low interest rates. We hope that strength in hiring and consumer spending will continue to drive the economy forward. We also got our final look at third quarter economic growth last month and learned that the economy grew 2%, a smidge lower than the 2.1% growth reported in the second estimate. As predicted, global headwinds dragged on the economy. On the positive side, the growth that was experienced was largely driven by American consumption. Whatever is happening in the rest of the world, domestic demand is still strong. We hope that a stronger labor market, rising income, and higher consumer optimism translate into solid economic growth in the fourth quarter. With 2015 behind us, we're now turning our attention to fourth quarter and end-of-year results to see how the economy performed in the final weeks of the year. Stay tuned for next month's video update, where we'll have annual data to discuss. That's it for the January Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call. We have some upcoming Social Security workshops that we'd like you to know about. February 2nd and 4th at the Retzner Nature Center, and February 25th and March 3rd at the Muskego Public Library. Visit wealthwisconsin.com to learn more. Once again, this is Tony Drake with Drake & Associates signing off for the month of January 2016. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 414-409-7226. We'd be happy to talk to you. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or the solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Economic forecasts set forth may not develop as predicted, and there can be no guarantee that strategies promoted will be successful. Investment advisory services are provided by Drake & Associates, LLC, a state of Wisconsin registered investment advisor. Insurance products are offered through a separate company, Loft Financial Advisory Group, LLC, a Wisconsin insurance agency. Clients are under no obligation to purchase any recommended insurance products. Thanks.